Okay, so what I'm going to do here is just add the login and registration files needed to make this a kind of a website that is able to handle something called sessions. Okay, so you'll see this is just what we had before. I've downloaded the files from Moodle, and here's the login files, which are over here. So all I do is I copy those, put them in to the source file, paste. Okay, and we're good to go. We've got a login page, a register page, a logout page, and they're all accessible. Now I've created a basic menu here, so if I just uncomment that, all this is doing is going to the registration page, register, login, login, and logout, logout. Okay, save that, and we go back to our website. You can see we've got a way of getting to those pages. All right, and that's how you set up the login files.